Most handheld car vacuums claim to be powerful, but when it comes to cleaning tight spaces like this, they completely fail. And that is exactly why 99% of people end up buying the wrong one. Think about your car. The dirt is not really on the seats. It is hidden in places like between seats, under the pedals, inside cup holders, and even inside door pockets. And most car vacuum cleaners simply cannot reach these areas. Either they are too bulky, or they do not come with the right attachments, or the suction drops after a few uses. So in this video, I am going to show you the best handheld car vacuum for small spaces, including compact, cordless, and high-suction portable car vacuums that actually work in real-life situations. Let us start with one of the most reliable options, the Black & Decker AdvancedClean handheld vacuum. This is easily one of the best handheld car vacuum cleaners for tight spaces. It comes with a rotating slim nozzle, which is specifically designed to clean hard-to-reach areas. So instead of struggling between seats, you can actually reach deep inside without effort. It also has a pull-out crevice tool, which is perfect for narrow gaps and tight corners. And the cyclonic action helps maintain strong suction power over time. This is ideal if you want a trusted brand, consistent performance, and easy handling. Now, if your main problem is extremely tight spaces, this next one is a game changer. The Fanttik Slim V8 Apex. This is more like a mini car vacuum cleaner, designed specifically for small gaps and precision cleaning. It is ultra lightweight and comes with a flexible hose and multiple attachments, so you can clean places most vacuums cannot even reach. And despite its small size, it delivers powerful suction, making it perfect for tight corners and detail work. It is ideal for cleaning between seats, dashboard edges, and even tiny spaces like buttons and vents. But keep in mind, this one is best for small cleaning tasks, not heavy-duty mess. Now, if you are on a budget but still want something powerful, take a look at the Gxzsk cordless handheld vacuum. This one offers strong suction power and comes with multiple nozzles, an extension hose, and a brush attachment for pet hair. It also features a dual filtration system with a washable filter, which helps maintain suction over time. And with around 30 minutes of runtime, you have more than enough time to clean your car in one go. This is a great portable car vacuum cleaner if you want value for money. Now, if you want the absolute best performance, then this one is on another level. The Dyson car and boat handheld vacuum. This is one of the most powerful cordless car vacuum cleaners available. It delivers strong, consistent suction, long battery life, and comes with a motorized brush tool for deep cleaning. It also includes a crevice tool that can reach deep into tight spaces, making it perfect for detailed cleaning, pet hair removal, and heavy-duty use. Finally, if you want something lightweight but still powerful, the Shark Wandvac is a great option. It is extremely light, easy to handle, and perfect for quick cleanups. It also features strong suction, a simple one-touch empty system, and a compact charging dock. So here is how to choose the right one. If you want the best overall performance, go with Black & Decker. If you need something specifically for tight spaces, Fanttik is the better choice. If you are on a budget, Gxzsk offers great value. If you want maximum power, go with Dyson. And if you want something lightweight for everyday use, Shark is a solid option. But here is something most people do not realize. Suction power alone does not matter if your vacuum cannot physically reach tight spaces. It is not going to clean properly. That is where most people get it wrong. Also, if you are dealing with pet hair inside your car, make sure to check out my video on the best car vacuum for pet hair, because not all vacuums are designed for that. And if you want more options, you can also watch my full guide on the best handheld car vacuums, where I break everything down in detail. So if your car still looks dirty after cleaning, it is probably not your fault. You are just using the wrong vacuum. Check the links in the description to find the best option for your needs. And if you want more videos on car cleaning tools and detailing, make sure to subscribe.